Hey, here we are on day 2 of our full day of day 2 here at Palawan. Now we are at Honda Bay. This is our point of where we're going to get on the boat that's going to take us to do island hopping today. What you'll do if you take tours around here, you can do a private tour or you can do like we did on a shoestring budget. We booked through one of the agencies, and you can do it online. We did it through Nido Paradise, and they book all kind of tours around here. And you'll get in with a bunch of people. You get in a van like you see behind us right here, and what they'll do, they'll escort you out to where you get on your boat for the island hopping. Now before you come out here, what they're going to do, they're going to stop at a place for you to collect some necessary items if you do not bring these necessary items with you, such as a snorkel or some water shoes or a beach towel. Like, we had none of those, so we stopped and we picked up all of those things at a shop along the way. Now we're gonna wait here according to the instructions, and we'll wait to get on a boat to take us to some islands to do island hopping. Okay, it is time to board the boat. And for the rest of today's episode, we're going to be here to called Norma and Bong. You know, as we take off today, we're actually going to, I think, 3 different locations. The second one that we're going to is like a regular island. The first place that we're going to is something called a floating reef. I heard the word floating reef and I heard the word barge. So your guess is as good as mine. We'll find out when we get there. Okay, we just got off the boat and we are what they're calling the floating reef. Floating reef? This is really not a floating reef. It's more of a floating platform. I think it's above a reef. I think that's why the terms floating and reef are playing together. But it's basically a platform here, and this is a place you have an opportunity. If you brought your snorkeling gear, you can do some snorkeling. I think down on that end down there, maybe there's some coral underneath the bottom, and you can do some snorkeling. I think what we're going to do, I think we're going to wait till we get to the island, the regular island, where we get off on the island and go into the water, and hopefully there's some good snorkeling there. We're just gonna observe here. Okay, we're leaving the floating, what they call the floating reef back here, and we're going to the next place. I think it's an island. But something that was really interesting, you see the turtle over here, and actually I just did the drone. I did a drone shot. I think I did it from that island over there. I don't think I did over here, but the tour guide here was just telling us that the last person that flew a drone over here crashed it right into the water right there by the turtle.
You see the turtle?
Now there's a real interesting history behind the turtle as well. The turtle used to be on the floating
barge.
The floating reef.
Yeah, it was the roof of the floating barge.
It was a roof on the walkway over there, and then during a big storm, it blew it off of there and landed right here on that little island. Okay, so I guess this is where we're going next. I think our next destination stop is Luli Island.
So this is Luli Island. If you need a toilet, we have there.
Now, if you happen to be hungry when you land on Luli Island, they have it's like a restaurant, a really neat place here that you can get food here, feed yourself, get rid of that appetite. But the next island that we're going to also has a restaurant, and it's recommended by our tour guide that's the place for us to stop. So we are going to stop at the next one for eating, but this is available for you if you decide to eat here. So right now, Ness and we are going to do a walkabout. We're going to walk, that isn't really that big, so we're going to walk around the island, and then we're going to head over to the area where most people are swimming and decide whether we want to swim here or if we want to swim at the next island that we're going to. So we're going for a walkabout. And now for our third and final stop of the day is the island of Cowrie. What makes Cowrie different from the rest of the islands? Well, as you can probably see over my shoulder, you can see that they have coconut trees here. At least that's what the tour guide said when I asked her what makes it different. Well, they have coconut trees. Cool. I like coconut trees. You like coconut trees?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so we're going to eat lunch here. We're here long enough that we can actually do some swimming here. So we're going to do some swimming. We're going to do some eating and whatever else. Maybe some walking around the island. Nothing?
Napping.
Napping? Okay, so we're gonna go get something to eat. Alright, we're gonna close from here inside the transport vehicle that's taking us back to the hotel. Anyway, Norm.
Yeah,
what,
Bon.
what do you think of the trip for today? The island hopping.
Fantastic.
Yeah. It was really relaxing. We only swam one out of the 3 different places that we went to. The very last one, but it was a lot of fun. It was very relaxing. That's the same place that we had something to eat at the 3rd island that we went to. So, what will we have in store for tomorrow?
We'll be traveling.
Oh wait a minute! Shh! Don't tell them. Don't tell
Okay.
them. It's a secret. It's a
It's a
secret.
secret.
It's a secret where we are going tomorrow. Now, when we were coming back from our tour today, our guide said, we are almost to your hotel, which is only like a few meters from here. She said, I recommend you check out this restaurant right here, Kinabooks. She said that they have some really exotic food here. Now, I don't really know what they call exotic food, and I don't know that I want exotic food like within 12 hours before I get on a bus to go on another 7-hour ride to the next place that we're going to. But we're gonna try it out. We'll take a look at the menu and see what they have here. Okay, now as we're kind of looking through the menu here, about as exotic as they get on the menu is crocodile. They have some crocodile here. Okay, well I think Ness is she's gonna go daring and go with some crocodile meat. But other type of really neat meals that they have on here, they have goat, and they have a lot of the traditional, I see a lot of traditional Philippine dishes that are on here. Sizzling beef dishes. Oh, but they also have Thai. They have some Thai food here. I'm a big Thai fan, so maybe I'll get like some curry, maybe some red Thai curry. Alright, so our food's here. Ness was the daring one on this selection. She went with the crocodile.
Crocodile, Bicol Express.
Yeah, so she got the crocodile. I played it safe with the Thai red curry chicken. So anyway, let me know what it tastes like, and don't say tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken? Let's see. Oh, look at this. There is fat. I like fat. Good. Tastes like pork.
Now before we close for tonight, I just want to say this is a really cool place here to eat. And in the evening time, it kind of wakes up around here. People come in for the food, they come in for the drinks. And they have something I haven't seen in a long time. They have it's like a drive-in theater, but from the parking lot and your table where you're eating at the restaurant. Check this out. How cool is that?
Yeah.
We're about to leave here, but we wanted to do a quick review on the food that we had here at Kinabush. I will tell you, Ness ordered the crocodile. I ordered the red chicken curry, and I would say they were both excellent. Yeah. And so everybody knows curry. Curry is the same everywhere around the world. But we want to focus real quick on the crocodile.
Yeah.
Well, the crocodile, we kind of determined what we thought. It's like chicken and maybe
and pork.
Yeah, chicken and pork, but with the texture of like beef, Now, I know if you read online what crocodile tastes like, if you write on Google and you say, what does crocodile taste like? And it will pretty much tell you it tastes like chicken with a little bit of fishy taste. Now,
But it has fat like the pork.
Yeah, I didn't taste any fishy kind of taste. But it was good. It was really good. And Ness and I, we were sitting here and we were just thinking, if we went grocery shopping and we had to pick out our grocery shopping,
crocodile meat should be normalized.
It should be on there, especially in the Philippines, because they grow. You saw we went to the crocodile farm, and it's a great substitute in the Philippines, especially to substitute it for beef, because beef is kind of tough here in the Philippines. It's really tough here in the Philippines. So we would go shopping. We would get like chicken, and we would get pork
and crocodile.
and crocodile if they had it available. Anyway, for those of you who raise crocodile, think about it. You need to get inside your supermarkets. We're going to close from here tonight. We're going actually back to the hotel. We're going to listen to a little bit more live music. And then tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is basically a travel day. It's mainly a travel day.
Long travel.
Yeah, long travel to get us from point A to point B. Another destination that we didn't tell you about. It's kind of a surprise. So you ready for that long ride for tomorrow?
Of course.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. We're going to have a really great few days coming up for us here on Palawan. So anyway, oh, did I just give anything away? No, I said Palawan. Palawan's okay. We're not telling you where we're going on Palawan, so we're just going to say we're on Palawan, right? Right. Anyway, we're going to close for tonight. So if you enjoyed this part of the episode on Palawan, please give us a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little PI dream heart on the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed, and you'll be notified the next time we upload a new video. So until the next video, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.